shows the test score of a student. What is the percentage increase of his score? Percentage increase. Okay, percentage increase. Alright, it's percentage increase. How do we do percentage increase? Don't need use trigonometry. Primary school got no trigonometry. Alright, for those who haven't joined, right, you can still join. You can see the game pin at the bottom here. 196436. You can go to 𝐏𝐿𝐿.it and enter that game pin, alright? Okay, 10 more seconds. And we'll see who are the top 5 on the podium from the first question. Alright, today there are 6 questions. Very good. Okay, a lot of you got it correct. Very good, okay? Alright, so because we are not asking for percentage of score A or percentage of score B, like percent as a, like they never say express the scores as a percentage of the other score. Alright, so we just need to use the increase. Alright, so let me go through the solution first, okay, before we go to the rankings, okay. So here, percentage increase, okay, so whenever they ask you for percentage increase, what do you do is, you find the increase. So from 25 minus 20 gives you 5, right? That is the increase. Okay. Okay, wait, let me adjust. Okay. So with the increase, make it over the original score. Okay? Because it increased from test 1 increase to test 2. From 20 increase to 25. So in this case, the original is 20. Then you multiply by 100. Then after that, what you can do is, you cancel the zeros. Then 10 and 2 both divide by 2, you get 5 and 1. Equals to 25%. Alright? Yes, P6. Okay? P6 or P5 also can. Okay? Alright, so before we go back to the game pin, okay, just a heads up. Our website is mastermaths.com.sg. Okay, if you see at the top here. Okay, so in case any of you want to find out more about our programs, okay, about like any of our ad hoc programs also, you can actually go there. Okay, and for our past worksheets, right, that we use for our previous live, you can also go to our Telegram channel at t.me/MasterMathsPSLE. At the same time, if you want to watch the last week's live and all that, you can also go to our YouTube channel, okay, at MasterMaths.tv, because this is TikTok live, okay. Once it's done, it's not recorded, okay, but it will be, the recording will be sent to YouTube, okay. Alright, okay, so are you all excited? Okay, looking forward to see who's the top 5. Alright, let's go. Okay, okay. Alright, let's see. We have elated squid, okay, at a lot of you are at 967 points, okay? And then we got a snowy duck. And then we got a amusing yeti, okay? And the majestic goose. And the lucky llama, okay? So, if you are around, if your score right now is like 940 something or 930 something, alright, you still stand a high chance to catch up. Even if you are at 800 something, okay? As long as you are one of those 50 people who got it correct, right, just now, right? you still stand a chance, okay? Just that maybe the next question, try to answer slightly faster, okay? Alright, let's go. Question number 2. Okay, this is a question on circles. Figure below is made up of a square and 3 identical quadrants. Okay, and the radius is 8 cm. Find the perimeter in terms of pi. Remember, I'm asking for perimeter, not area. Okay, perimeter, not area. Okay, remember your area of circumference. Okay, remember your area of circumference. Okay, you can apply it here. But remember, those are quadrants, okay? Okay, 20 seconds left. Alright, for those who are looking to join, right? Okay, the game pin is here. Okay, you can still join in. And again, the top winner for today, the top scorer for today, will be getting a popular voucher. Okay, I think the answer purple. Yes. Okay. 27 of you got it green. Okay. So yes, for this question, right? If your area of circumference, okay, you got it. Formula for circumference. Okay, if you like suddenly think of a different formula for circumference, okay, if you use a wrong formula, you can easily got it wrong for this, okay. Alright, come, let's go through first, then we will see how these 27 people go up in the rankings, okay. Alright, so now what do we have here? We have 3 quadrants. Okay, let me underline in greens all the quadrant. Highlight. Okay. See all those green lines? They are the quadrants. And then, what else make up the perimeter? The straight lines. Okay, you got 1 straight line here, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 4 straight line. 4 straight line, we know that one of it is 8 cm. Why is it 8 cm? Because the radius is 8 cm. Okay, and those straight lines are the radius of the quadrant. So, there are 4, right? So, 8 times 4, 32 cm. Alright, now we talk about the quadrants. Each quadrant is quarter times pi times diameter. Correct? Now, the question here, we saw about radius, but what is D? What is diameter? Diameter is 2 times of your radius, which is 8 times 2, 16 cm. Okay? So, apply back there. So, quarter times pi times, not just about the quarter. There are 3 quadrants, right? So, why not just add the 3 in front also? Times 16. So, cancel this and this. We got 4 equals to 4 times pi times 3. 12 pi. They asked to live in terms of pi. Alright, so last step, we must plus everything. So, 12 pi plus 32 cm. Okay? Yeah, okay, those who are seeing like loading, connecting, right? Just wait a moment, okay? It will connect on its own, alright? Don't exit and rejoin. Okay? So this is parameter, okay? Parameter of composite figures. Okay, so you will be using, you need to apply lah. Alright, the circular parts, you use your circumference formula. All the straight lines, you just plus the straight lines. Alright, okay? Alright, those who just joined, okay, do follow us, okay? Follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok, okay? So for future live, you can still can join again and again, okay? Alright, now let's get back to the Kahoot. Okay, next. Okay, so if your nickname is on the top 5, good job, okay? But if your score is around between 1005, okay, 1004, alright, come on, push harder, okay? And if you were 127 also, good job. Alright, now let's go. This is a question about shaded area. Okay, so you see there are 2 overlapping triangles there. Okay, the unshaded area is 70. So they're asking for the shaded area. Okay, 100 more seconds. Okay, then I'll go through the answer. Alright, those who already answered, okay, there are still time, okay, for you to compete with your friends. You can still share the live. Okay, tell your friends to come and play with the Kahoot. Okay, to challenge your friends. Alright, don't be too confident and put the answer on the chat, okay? Possibly the answer you put might be wrong also. Okay? I think the answer is 500. No, come on, don't say that you are too dumb, okay? These are all things that we can learn, okay? Alright, those who see the connection issue is okay. Because sometimes when I switch over, right, yeah, you might see the connection issue. Alright, so just ignore and wait for it to connect back. Okay, so remember, it's about overlapping triangles, okay? 16 of you answered. Wait a minute. Okay, so actually, I have to apologize here. Okay, luckily nobody, technically everybody got it wrong lah, according to the Kahoot. Okay, so I have to apologize here. There's actually a bit of a mistake with the answer on the Kahoot, but don't worry. Okay, since nobody got it correct, your rankings are all safe, okay? Let me explain the actual answer. It's not 81, okay? It's not 81. Alright, so the thing about overlapping triangles, okay? You need to think of like the 2 triangles here. These 2 triangles as like 2 pieces of paper. Okay, and then these 2 pieces of paper, when you put them together, alright, this shaded portion here, okay, that shaded portion here, this part, there are 2 pieces overlapping each other. Alright, so when, let's say you are doing sum of triangles, okay, at that portion there's 2 pieces. Okay, so those who got 11 because of that lah. Okay, so we can do sum of 2 triangles. So your WXY is half times 6 times 18, cancel, cancel, 9 times 6, 54 cm square. And then 𝐻𝐿E, the other triangle is half times 9 times 6. Okay, 1, 3, 18. So when you take 54 plus 18, you will get 81 cm square. But like I said just now, this is just sum of two triangles. Okay, so when we take away this part, this portion, this 4 unshaded portion, right? Because they give you the unshaded area. So you can take 81 minus 70 and you will get 11 cm square. So like I said just now, the 11 cm square is 2 pieces. So to find one piece, you take 11 divided by 2, 5.5 cm square. Okay? Alright, okay. So again, apologies for the error in the answer on Kahoot, okay. Yeah, I divided by 2 there. 11 divided by 2, I got 5.5. Okay, so if you never divide by 2, you will have gotten 11. Alright. Why divide by 2? So like I said just now, overlapping triangles is like you take two triangles and you put them on top of each other. Okay, when you put them on top of each other, the overlapping portion there, there's 2 pieces. So that's why you need to find one piece only. That's why you divide by 2. Alright. Okay. Alright, so don't worry. For this question, nobody got it wrong. I mean, like, nobody is affected. Okay. Alright, come, let's go to the 4th question. A ratio question. Okay, boys to girls to adults is 2:3:5. And what percentage of the children, okay, sorry, this is what percentage of them, okay, not the children, okay, what percentage of them are girls? What percentage of them are girls? Okay, what percentage of them are girls? Okay, those who are interested to join, the game pin is below here. Okay, what percentage of them are girls? Not of the children, okay? Okay, 1 more minute. What percentage of them? Okay, not what percentage of the children, okay? Are girls. The ratio there is boys to girls to adults. Okay, it's asking for girls. Percentage of the people are girls. Okay, 20 more seconds. Ten more seconds. Come on, answer. Alright, okay, yes, correct. Okay, 30%, okay. So like I said just now, for this, right, what percentage of them, okay? So here, the girls is this 3, right? So 3 over the total of 2 plus 3 plus 5 times 10 times 100. So it's 3 over 10 times 100, cancel, cancel, 30%. Answer is number 2. Okay? Alright. Now, let's go to our second last question for the day. Okay, now, we have another change in the ranking, okay? So, let's go to our second last question. It's on average. Okay, so average of 4 parcels is 1.6 kg. Okay, after 2 parcels were removed, they ask for the average mass of the remaining 2 parcels. Okay? Average of remaining. Alright? Yes, there will be after this. Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay, remember your average. Okay, your total, your number, your that triangle. How do you apply here? Okay, this is on average. Alright. Okay, 100 seconds more. Okay, the 2 parcels that were removed is 1.3 kg and 1.04 kg. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, 30 more seconds. Yes, Amir, there will be after this. Okay, last 10 seconds. Okay, good job. Okay, a lot of you got it correct. Good, good, good. Okay, so those who got red, right, is because you minus. Alright, you minus those 2 and you divide by, but you didn't divide by 2. Okay, so after you divide by 2, that's when you got the green one. Okay, so the rankings remain the same. Alright, so here, when I do 1.6 times 4, to get the total, right, I'll get 6.4. Then 6.4. Remove means minus. So I minus 1.3 minus 1.04. And I'll get 4.06. So 4.06 because still asking for average. So I divide by 2. I'll get 2.03 kg. Alright. Okay, last one for today. Okay, this is on remaining string, okay? Okay, so Hidayat has an 8 meter of string. He cuts the string into pieces, each measuring 3/4 meter long, and have some strings left. Find the length of the remaining string left. Okay? So those who have been practicing fractions, right? You may have seen this kind of question coming out again and again and again. Okay? The red is 2/3 meter, the yellow is 7 and 1/4 meter. Okay, the blue is ½ meter and the green is 2 meter. Okay, last question for today. Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay, those who haven't learned fraction, yes, okay, might be difficult for you to do this question, okay, but don't worry, just listening. Okay, it's not asking for how many strings, but it's asking for the length of the remaining string. Okay, less than 1.5 minutes. Okay, so those who have been practicing your fractions, okay, this will be easy for you, okay. Okay, less than 1 more minute. Alright, okay. Length of remaining string, okay. Alright, so just a reminder again. After these questions, okay, once I reveal the new ranking, right, okay, and if you are the number 1, okay, number 1 scorer, do remember to DM us, okay, do remember to direct message us on TikTok or Instagram, either way that you are joining this live today. Alright, do remember to message us and we'll send you a popular voucher. Okay, also do include a screenshot of your score. Okay, DM us a screenshot, okay, then we'll send you the popular voucher. Alright, okay, 13 of you got it correct. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Number 3, Mountain Wolf. Number 2, Fearless Raccoon. And number 1, Flying Ostrich. Okay, so the person with the flying ostrich, okay, do message us on TikTok or Instagram, okay? Alright, so before I leave you off for today, let me just quickly go through this. So what we can do here, we can divide. 8 divided by 3/4 is 8 times 4/3, and we'll get 32/3, which will give you 10 wholes and 2/3. So what does this mean? There are 10 pieces and some fraction left, some fraction of a piece. If you got 10 pieces, right, 3/4 times 10 is 30/4. So to find that remaining piece, we take 8/1 minus 30/4, we get 32/4 minus 30/4 equals to 2/4 meter. In simplest form, 1/2 meter. Alright. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you everyone, okay. Everyone been very participative with the math, okay, and the Kahoot. Alright. Congrats to our top scorer for today. Alright, and I'll see you all again next time. Alright, bye-bye.